guys, we're gonna open this little doll. Did I just push it down? Oh, look at how awesome. So let's keep opening it. Oh my gosh, I wonder which little doll. I think it's the same one as the picture. So let's pull it out from here. And now the other side. Oh, I just took it out. We have more surprises, but we will. See you later. Wow. Now we're gonna open one by one. Okay? So I think let's open this one. This is more easier. Let's see what else. This one is just not sippy cup. It's a fruit.
Juice.
Oh yeah, juice. I was gonna say something else. Okay, let's put it right here. Now the hangers. Oh, I just opened it from here. Let's see what it's got. Ooh. Can't get it. Oh, now. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Now let's open this next one. Remember, one by one. You're not just gonna open it. No, one by one. Else you're gonna lose all the accessories. Let's see what else we have found. Let's put this. This is cute. Come out, hanger. Please come out. Please come out. Not you this time. Oh, now. Oh, wait. The clothes got inside stuck. But the hangers are so cute. Don't tell me they're stuck. It is stuck. Oh, look at this skirt. This is so beautiful. So let's put it right here. Now let's open the boxes. This one first. It's a shoe box. Look. Oh my gosh, that just popped out in one second. Tell me what you see. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Look at them. Yeah. Let's put them inside the third one. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, it's like a bag. Oh, and it brings, it must be the same little doll because she had the same one. So here's the hairband. How cute. Oh, and it brings like a backpack. It's a tiny one. And some glasses. Ooh, yeah, I'm taking the sun. To me. I like to push it, so I'm going to push it more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see what it's here. Okay, now let's open it from here so you can see how to open it. Oh, look, something in it. Finish. Here's the instructions. Now let's see what we got. Let's check. Oh my gosh, isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, I like her hair. She got a standing. Okay, that's awesome. Awesome. And now we got the accessories. Let me dress her up. Let's start with the shirt. So adorable. Whoop. Don't fall. Now let's put the skirt. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. Wow. Now I'm gonna let Gigi put the hairband on the glasses. Now I'm gonna put the shoes for her. The blue one goes right here. Here she has her backpack, remember? And now she's super tall because of her boots. And thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thumbs up if you like this video. Yep. Bye. Bye. Thumbs up.